Funfetti is a cookie with sprinkle. If you love sprinkle and you like cookies, then you got to try this simple homemade cakey melt in your mouth Funfetti cookies. These cookies are so delicious and so easy and fun to make, and you only need 3 ingredients plus a sprinkle and you're good to go. And it doesn't take much time. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and watch the video up to the end. Well, I'm going to start by measuring my dry ingredients. I'm going to use all-purpose flour, 180 grams. If you don't have the weighing scale, you can use 1.5 cup. And I'm going to use margarine, 120 grams. I'm going to measure my sugar next. I'm going to use both powder and granulated sugar, which will make my cookie more cakey. And like the powdered sugar makes the cookies spread out more, and I want my cookies to all together. And in total, I will use 120 grams sugar. Adding 1 tablespoon cornstarch into my flour, and then 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Mix them together in a different mixing bowl. Add in your margarine plus the sugar, then cream them together. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a spatula. It really works well. Cream it until it's light and pale in color. Guys, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to another amazing recipes. If you are coming across this video for the first time, you're welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing. Press the notification bell, like and watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Use a spatula to scrape the bowl on the bottom to ensure everything is well combined. Continue to cream until you're satisfied. Then go in with vanilla essence and 1 egg and beat it up until it's light and fluffy. Find all the ingredients and their exact measurements in the description box. Once satisfied with the consistency, go in with your dry ingredients. Sifting your dry ingredients, I would recommend you do it in bits, then use your spatula to fold it. Fold the dry ingredient until it's almost combined. Just in between, before you're done with adding your flour, go in with your sprinkle. Funfetti cookies need sprinkle, and the sprinkle also make it very colorful and it sets the mood of holiday. Like now we are in Easter, give that pleasure to the young ones, and once they see the colorful sprinkle, they're already hooked up even before tasting it. Adjust the flour once you feel it still needs the flour, because our flour is still there. So just fold it in until it's just about to combine. Don't overwork the dough. And this is the right consistency. The dough should not be very soft. My cookie dough is all combined. I'm going to take it to the fridge to chill for 30 minutes before molding. The dough has been in and out of the fridge and it's chilled. I'm going to use this medium ice cream scooper to scoop my dough balls, and then I'm going to mold it into a small ball to give me a smooth look. You can as well scoop and place into your oven tray direct for a rusty look. And we want to make our work easy, so we'll just mold it into a ball, then place the dough ball into the sprinkles, just like that. And ready, the sprinkles are on top. And when placing them on the baking tray, don't put them too close. Give them some space. Create a room for them to spread while baking. And we'll repeat the process until all the cookie dough balls are done. These cookies are so easy and fun to make. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy with your family. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and like the video to support my channel. Watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Done with the molding and they're already looking lovely, very colorful. I'm going to take it to my preheated oven of 180 degree and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. And my cookies has been in and out of the oven, smelling heavenly here and looking so beautiful. The cookies may be looking undercooked, but don't worry about it. Just let it set in the oven tray for about 10 minutes and it will be done. Don't take it back to your oven. Look at it, it's looking so lovely and very colorful. And you can have these cookies any time of the day. You can serve it over tea or any hot beverage of your choice, or even cold. or you can as well just snack it. Mine I'm going to enjoy with some hot lemon and hibiscus. These are dry hibiscus leaves. I've just added them with some cloves into my infuser. Then I'll just dip it into my hot lemon water, and after it has infused, I'll go ahead and enjoy it with my Funfetti. Guys, as you have seen, this recipe is so simple, easy and fun to make. Give it a try and don't forget to bring back your feedback. And the cookies have turned way better than I anticipated. Very cakey, crumbly, melt in your mouth, and so delicious. Thanks for watching my video up to this point, and show me some love. If you haven't, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next Happy Easter family.